What's up guys, my name is Mo, welcome to my channel. About 2 weeks ago, I bleached my hair all by myself. Well, I had help from a hairdresser over FaceTime. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it in this video so you can watch that and then find out how I created this. So in the first few days after I had bleached my hair was kind of like a golden blonde color. And I absolutely love that color, although I was also curious to know what my hair would look like if I had it platinum. So I went on Google to have a look which shampoos would be best for my hair, and I read some great reviews about this brand called Fudge. In the past I've used some Fudge products and they've always been working great for me, so let's try it out.
Ah, yeah.
I ordered myself a duo pack. So I got the Fudge Clean Blonde Violet Toning Shampoo over here. It says instantly removes yellow tones from blonde hair with hydrating guarana. Okay. And I also got the Clean Blonde Damage Rewind Violet Toning Conditioner. So this one says instantly erases yellow tones and damage from blonde hair, 90% stronger hair, and with Optiplex technology. I don't think you heard me. Optiplex technology. No idea what it is. Let's Google that. Optiplex is a line of business-oriented desktop computers from Dell. Yeah, I don't think this is that. Okay, so I still don't know what Optiplex technology is, but it's supposed to like strengthen your hair. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a shower. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the shampoo. Okay, it says lather evenly through wet hair and leave up to 5 minutes for maximum result. Then we're gonna use the conditioner. After shampooing, smooth evenly through hair and rinse thoroughly to Alright guys, I'm gonna start off with the shampoo. I'm gonna try to get it in my hair as evenly as possible. So if I'm gonna need a little bit more, then that's just what I'm gonna have to do. Make sure you get the sides and the back as well. Then leave it in for 5 minutes. Rinse it out, and now it's time for the conditioner. Same process again. Leave it in for 5 minutes. In the meantime, maybe you can brush your teeth, rinse your face, sing a song, or shave your nuts. Ooh, yikes. All right, rinse it out again. Now I just need to dry it and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so after I came out of the shower, I did blow dry spray and put a hair oil on my hair. Yeah, this is basically what my hair is looking like right now. So the hair has gotten a little bit lighter. There's a violet glow on it as well. All in all, I'm really happy with the products. If I don't want to have this color anymore and I want to go back to like the golden blonde, then I could use like a different shampoo or maybe like Head & Shoulders and just wash it all out. And it'll be back to that color again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then buy a plane ticket and come beat my ass. And please do add me on Instagram. I have a lot more content over there, and I hope to see you there as well. And also, don't forget to watch this video over here where I bleach my hair, guys. It could use some more views. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Till next time, peace!